Hi, it's me, Zainal, and this is Malapascua Island. It's located in the northern part of Cebu, and it's really a wonderful place here. It's the island of your imagination, the enchanting paradise, and everything. You really have a nice day here, and the people here are so warm and hospitable. And also the seafoods are very great, and we really have a Samsu's lunch a while ago, and also you could have a tour, island hopping. You could go to Kalangaman Island, wherein you could have your snorkeling, and also you really have a restful stay here. You really have your enjoy your relaxation here. So quiet, and it's really different from a city life. And I hope you could come here, guys. I'm inviting you all to come here to Malapascua Island, one of the beautiful places here in Cebu.